Can you tell if someone has opened your email in Groundhogg? Hi, my name is Paul Tobey. Thanks for watching this quick video. I'm going to be walking you through the steps to see if someone has opened your email and actually do trigger-based marketing based on email opens using the email open benchmark in the funnel builder. And we're going to get there in just a second. Hey, welcome back. Let's dive into it and see how to use the email open benchmark in Groundhogg and how we can test it. So I'm making this quick video to show how the email opened benchmark works in a funnel. It is supposed to measure whether an email gets opened or not. And if it gets opened, then do the next step. If it doesn't get opened, set a delay timer and send some other emails to get them to open it. So while it's not 100% accurate because it's based on several different types of email clients and whether they actually track that or not, but it's, I would say 80% effective. So if you're going to use it, this is how to use it. So I built this funnel here. You can see that there's just a simple tag applied benchmark here that will put somebody into the funnel. Then we're going to send this email and we're going to track the open rate. And in this particular case, I just grabbed any email that was in the ready stage. And then I throw in a delay timer of a day. And then what I can do is I can throw in another email to actually follow up if they don't open it. And that email could be anything as well. So let's just choose email number 1 here. So in this one, I chose email 2. This one is email 1. And I'm going to go send second email and track opens. And so you can literally do as many of these as you want with delay timers in the middle. And if that one or that one gets opened, then this benchmark will be achieved. So what you have to do though, is when you first put this benchmark in, and I'm going to take it out just to show you. Let's throw in the email open benchmark. Once you open it, you have to select the emails that you want to be tracked. So in this particular case, there's send email and track opens, and then send second email and track opens. Those have to be set to ready, and the campaign must be saved in order for them to show up in the email steps. So now they show up. So if the emails are not already there, they won't show here. So the first one is send email and track opens. I believe that was that one. And then the other one is this one. Okay. So basically what it's saying is unless either of those emails are opened, do nothing. Now you could keep, again, adding delay timers in here and send as many as you want. But basically if they open it, then this next step will happen. So basically wait one day after the email is opened and then send this last email. So that's how that works. So the way to test this, and it's a little tricky to test it because you should be sending it to your own email address and you can't already have certain tags. And anyway, let's go and see how it works. So here's my account. I'm going to send the email to myself. So all I have to do is add that first tag, which is the start tag. So unopen. So 10.marketing email unopened start. Once I add that tag, and then save, that will put me into the funnel, and that first benchmark will be achieved, which is this one, which is the start tag. So I'm going to go into activity, and you can see that the start tag is running now. If you want to get that moving quicker, other than waiting 1 minute for the cron to run, just click process events. And now you can see where we're at. So the tag benchmark was completed. I'm just going to circle this so that it's clear. So the tag, that's to start the campaign, and then that first email was sent. So send email and track open. So that's what's on its way to me right now. Let's go check my email. And there's the email. which is this last one here, sent 0 minutes ago. Let's go open that up. Okay, that's considered an open. But again, depending on what email client they're using, it's not always 100% accurate, but let's go see if it works. So I basically opened this email. So when I go back here, and now there's this delay timer that's running for 24 hours. If I process events, the next delay timer should go, because down here it will show me that the email's been opened. Process events. What you should see is this benchmark here being finished. So this is the one that you're looking for. So that's the email opened benchmark that happens. And then what happens is the next delay timer that comes after that is now wait 1 day after the email is opened. So it's now in the next stage of the funnel, which is this stage here. It's waiting 1 day before it sends this last email. So that's how the email open benchmark works. You basically have to set the emails that you want to track, and those emails must come before the email open benchmark for it to work. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, make some comments below, and subscribe to the channel, because we're making more videos just like this one. My name is Tobey. Have yourself a great day.